everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Hay Day game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hay Day game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial level within the game, you will gain access to the game from which you can move around freely. Now within this page, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on settings, and you will end up within the settings menu. From the settings menu, you will be able to find the language option underneath the login button. Just tap on the current language and you will see the various different languages that are available for the Hay Day game. Just tap on any language that you wish to use, and this will immediately change the language into the one that you just selected. This will also restart the game after you choose your language. Now once the game has restarted, you will see that all your language preference has been implemented. And if you wish to change back to the previous language, or if you want to change to another language once again, you can just tap on the same menu icon and go into the settings page and choose your language right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Hay Day game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.